Hey Gearheads, welcome back to the channel. Today we're throwing down in a battle of the titans, a clash between two automotive giants, but not in the way you might think. We're pitting the sleek and stylish 2025 Lotus against the mighty and muscular 2025 Peterbilt. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. Exterior design and color options. The Lotus, known for its aerodynamic prowess, cuts a futuristic figure in 2025. Imagine a low-slung silhouette that hugs the ground, crafted from lightweight yet ultra-strong materials. The aggressive lines and sharp angles scream performance, while the optional active rear wing adds a touch of downforce. When it comes to colors, the Lotus offers a range of vibrant options that reflect its sporty character. Think fiery reds, space-age blues, and maybe even a daring lime green. The Peterbilt exudes a powerful and imposing presence. This rig is a force to be reckoned with on the road. The 2025 model continues the brand's legacy of bold design with a chrome grille that dominates the front, flanked by powerful headlights. The aerodynamic cab design prioritizes function over form, ensuring maximum efficiency on long hauls. When it comes to colors, Peterbilt offers a more traditional palette of bold and masculine tones. Think deep reds, classic blues, and of course the ever-popular chrome finish. Interior features. The Lotus interior is all about driver focus. Imagine a cockpit-like environment wrapped in luxurious materials like Alcantara and carbon fiber. The minimalist dashboard features a high-tech digital display that puts all the essential information at your fingertips. The Lotus prioritizes lightweight seating that offers exceptional support during high-performance driving. Inside the Peterbilt, we find a spacious and comfortable cabin designed for long journeys. The driver's seat is like a throne, offering ample legroom and adjustability. The dashboard is functional and well organized, with all the gauges and controls within easy reach. Passenger comfort is also considered, with plush seats and ample amenities to make those long hauls more enjoyable. Thanks for joining us in this epic clash of the titans. Let us know in the comments below which vehicle you think stole the show. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, stay safe and keep on driving.